Let's fill out a time card. Go to Main Navigation, touch Forms, then Forms in Progress. Now touch Time Tracking. At the top, it tells you to submit the form by the end of the week. You've been working on your time card throughout the week. As you can see, Field Tools tracks your hours, project location, and comments. Let's say that today is Friday. Let's wrap up the week by filling out our Friday. You worked 8 hours. It was at the downtown expansion. Type in comments. Good work this week. Now, let's scroll down. This form calculates your totals. We see daily totals and total hours for the week. Now, sign your time card. Hit Activate, Sign, then hit Commit and Send. To review your time card, go to Main Navigation. Go to Search, then under Form Submission, touch on Time Tracking, which is the report you just submitted. Now you can review your report.